Welcome to this LinkPoint Blade tutorial. Here, we'll demonstrate how to install LinkPoint Blade into your instance of Outlook. Keep in mind that LinkPoint Blade is designed to work with Microsoft Outlook and will not run on third-party mail applications. To get started, you'll need to install LinkPoint Blade for PC or Mac via the desktop application. This will also provide automatic access for any users with the Outlook Mail app on a mobile device. Click either the Get Add-ins button or All Apps button, and then the Add Apps option in the Outlook ribbon. Search for LinkPoint Blade, and click the option from the list. Click the Add button. This will install the side panel in Outlook. Note that you may be prompted to sign into Microsoft to proceed. If you receive a Microsoft admin consent error during the installation process, you should contact your Office 365 admin for assistance. Close the window to return to your inbox. To access the side panel, click the Open Blade Panel button in the Outlook ribbon. With the side panel installed, you will need to connect your account in order to interact with Salesforce data. Click the Get Started button in the side panel when prompted. Select your Salesforce connection type. The Custom option is most commonly used for companies that have a customized Salesforce URL. Click the Connect to Salesforce button. Enter your Salesforce credentials when prompted, and allow LinkPoint Blade permission to access your account. The side panel will automatically do an initial discovery of your Salesforce account. Once complete, you can move on to recording emails, creating records, and syncing information. For more information, visit linkpoint360.com.